Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys. Ang 1 Istotinka coins of Bulgaria guys. Mayroong taon na 1974. So guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang napakagandang history nito guys dahil mayroon itong mataas na price dito sa ating selling online sa eBay guys. So tapusin na natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Bulgaria. The Istotinka coins 1974 from Bulgaria has its roots in the historical evolution of the Bulgarian monetary system and reflects the socio-political context of the time. Here's the overview guys of the history, the historical background and introduction of the Lev and Istotinka. The Bulgarian or Lev, plural Leva, was introduced in 1881 after Bulgarian's liberation from Ottoman rule in 1878. The Lev was subdivided into 100 Istotinka, singular Istotinka, a system modeled after the French France. Post-war reforms in 1945 until 1952. Following World War II, Bulgaria became a socialist state under the influence of the Soviet Union. The monetary system was reformed to reflect the socialist economy, and new coins were issued bearing the insignia of the People's Republic of Bulgaria, established in 1946. The 1962 monetary reform. In 1962, the Bulgarian Lev underwent a significant revaluation to stabilize the economy. The new Lev replaced the old Lev at the rate of 10:1. Coins including Istotinka were redesigned and modernized to align with the new system. The 1974 series, the 1 Istotinka coin from 1974 belongs to a broader coin series introduced during the mid-20th century. These coins were minted in aluminum bronze for durability and ease of use in everyday transactions. The design reflected socialist ideals featuring the national coat of arms and agricultural motifs like wheat and ears, symbolizing Bulgaria's agrarian economy and socialist identity. Role in the economic. The 1 Istotinka coin was widely used for small transactions such as buying bread, milk, or other essentials. It represented the smallest denomination in the Bulgarian currency system at the time, indicating its function as pocket change in a planned economy. End of socialist era in 1990s. With the fall of socialism in 1989 and Bulgaria's transition to a democratic government and market economy, the national symbols on coins were gradually replaced. The People's Republic of Bulgaria coat of arms was removed, and coins began reflecting the new republic of the Bulgarian identity. Collectibility and legacy. Coins like the 1 Istotinka 1974 are now sought by numismatists as relics of Bulgaria's socialist past. They provide insight into the design, aesthetics, and economic condition of Eastern Bloc countries during the Cold War. This coin holds value as a piece of history symbolizing Bulgaria's socialist era and its cultural and economic transformation over the 20th century. So napakagandang history guys sa ating mga coins na mga 1:10 ka. So may price din ito guys sa ating siling online sa EB guys. Ang ating year na 1974 na 1:10 ka graded from NGC MS65 mayroong price na 2,626 pesos and 43 centavos. So napakataas guys ang halaga dito sa ating 1:10 ka ng Bulgaria. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.